Welcome to NIS. Our mission is to ensure students receive so much more than an ordinary education. We pride ourselves on creating a unique and exciting environment that embraces all types of learners and promotes growth both academically and personally. Students and families are also welcomed into our dynamic and supportive community.